Hi and welcome to Fly Supersonic.
Chennai ground Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray Tree 20 IFR to Victor Oscar Hotel Sierra ready to copy.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray Tree 20 is cleared to Victor Oscar Hotel Sierra Airport as filed. Takeoff runway 7 climb and maintain 11,000 feet. Departure frequency is 118.9er squawk 0066.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray Tree 20 cleared to Victor Oscar Hotel Sierra Airport is filed. Takeoff runway 7 climb and maintain 11,000 feet. Departure on 118.9er squawk 0066.
Airbus Tree 20 readback is correct. Contact ground on 121.9er when ready to taxi. Good day.
Chennai ground Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray Tree 20 with Yankee ready to taxi IFR.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray Tree 20 taxi 2 and hold short of runway 7 using taxiway Alpha. Contact tower on 118.1 when ready.
Taxiing hold short runway 7 via taxiway Alpha Airbus Tree 20. Chennai ground Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray Tree 20 requesting pushback.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray Tree 20 pushback request accepted.
Chennai ground Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray Tree 20 requesting pushback tug to steer the aircraft to the left.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray Tree 20, your request has been transmitted to the operator.
Chennai Ground Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20 requesting pushback tug to push the aircraft straight.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20, your request has been transmitted to the operator.
Chennai Ground Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20 requesting pushback tug to steer the aircraft to the left.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20, your request has been transmitted to the operator.
Chennai Ground Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20 requesting pushback tug to push the aircraft straight.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20, your request has been transmitted to the operator.
Chennai Ground Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20 requesting the end of pushback.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20, request to end pushback received. Chennai Ground IFLI 588 Heavy ready to copy IFR clearance to Victor Oscar Golf Oscar. IFLI 588 Heavy is cleared to Victor Oscar Golf Oscar Airport as filed. Takeoff runway 7 climb and maintain 6,000 feet. Departure frequency is 127.9er, squawk 447 tree. Chennai Ground Air India 9er 05 Heavy ready to copy IFR clearance to Dubai. Air India 9er 05 Heavy is cleared to Dubai Airport as filed. Takeoff runway 7 climb and maintain 12,000 feet. Departure frequency is 127.9er, squawk 7071. IFLI 588 Heavy cleared to Victor Oscar Golf Oscar Airport as filed. Takeoff runway 7 climb and maintain 6,000 feet. Departure on 118.9er, squawk 447 tree. IFLI 588 Heavy readback is correct. Contact ground on 121.9er when ready to taxi. Good day. Air India 9er 05 Heavy cleared to Dubai Airport as filed. Takeoff runway 7 climb and maintain 12,000 feet. Departure on 118.9er, squawk 7071. Air India 9er 05 Heavy readback correct. Contact ground on 121.9er. Good day. Chennai Ground IFLI 588 Heavy requesting pushback. IFLI 588 Heavy pushback request accepted. Chennai Ground Air India 9er 05 Heavy requesting pushback. Air India 9er 05 Heavy pushback request accepted. Chennai Ground IFLI 588 Heavy requesting the end of pushback. IFLI 588 Heavy request to end pushback received. Chennai Ground Air India 9er 05 Heavy requesting the end of pushback. Air India 9er 05 Heavy request to end pushback received. Chennai Ground IFLI 588 Heavy with Yankee ready to taxi IFR. IFLI IFLY 588 Heavy taxi to and hold short of runway 7 via taxiway Alpha. Contact tower on 118.1 when ready. Taxi to and hold short runway 7 via taxiway Alpha IFLY 588 Heavy. Chennai ground Air India Niner 05 Heavy with Yankee ready to taxi IFR. Air India Niner 05 Heavy taxi to and hold short of runway 7 via taxiway Alpha. Contact tower on 118.1 when ready. Taxi to and hold short runway 7 via taxiway Alpha Air India Niner 05 Heavy.
Chennai Tower Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20 ready for departure runway 7 IFR to Victor Oscar Hotel Sierra.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20, hold short runway 7. Traffic is generic on final.
Hold short runway 7 Airbus Tree 20.
A few moments later.
IFLY 5048, contact ground on 121.9er. Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20, altimeter 29er, 8 wind 141 at 8. Cleared for takeoff runway 7.
Cleared for takeoff runway 7 Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray Tree 20.
121.9er, IFLY 5048. Goodbye. Chennai Tower, IFLY 588 Heavy ready for departure runway 7 IFR to Victor Oscar Golf Oscar. Ifly 588 Heavy, line up and wait. Line up and wait, Ifly 588 Heavy. Airbus A320, contact Chennai Center on 118.9er. Good day.
118.9er Airbus A320. Goodbye. Chennai Center Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray A320 is passing 1,800 feet, climbing 11,000 feet.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray A320, Chennai Center altimeter 29.83 radar contact, continue. Tree climb and maintain flight level 200. Climb and maintain flight level 200, Ifly 61 tree. Chennai Center, Ifly 588 Heavy is at 800 feet, climbing 6,000 feet. Ifly 588 Heavy, Chennai Center altimeter 29.83 radar, contact continue. Air India 905 Heavy, climb and maintain 14,000 feet, keep speed not above 230 knots. Airbus A320, climb and maintain 16,000 feet.
Climb and maintain 16,000 feet, Airbus A320.
Climb and maintain 14,000 feet, keep speed not above 230 knots, Air India 905 Heavy.
Overspeed, 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 overspeed.
Ifly 588 Heavy, climb and maintain 16,000 feet. Climb and maintain 16,000 feet, Ifly 588 Heavy.
Overspeed, 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 overspeed.
Air India 537, climb and maintain 16,000 feet, keep speed not above 250 knots.
Overspeed, overspeed, overspeed.
Ifly 6019er, descend and maintain flight level 190, keep speed not above 250 knots. Airbus A320, climb and maintain flight level 260. Ifly 6...
Climb and maintain flight level 260, Airbus A320.
Air India 537, climb and maintain 15,000 feet, keep speed not above 250 knots. Ifly 6019er, climb and maintain 17,000 feet, keep speed not above 250 knots. Climb and maintain 15,000 feet, keep speed not above 250 knots, Air India 537. Ifly 613, climb and maintain flight level 280. Ifly 6714 Heavy, climb and maintain 15,000 feet. Climb and maintain flight level 280, Ifly 613. Descend and maintain 15,000 feet, Ifly 6714 Heavy. Ifly 6019er, climb and maintain 15,000 feet, keep speed not above 250 knots. Air India 905 Heavy, climb and maintain flight level 260. Climb and maintain 15,000 feet, keep speed not above 250 knots, Ifly 6019er. Climb and maintain flight level 260, Air India 905 Heavy. Fleet 6714 Heavy, keep speed, not above 250 knots. Keep speed, not above 250 knots, Fleet 6714 Heavy. Fleet 588 Heavy, climb and maintain flight level 240. Climb and maintain flight level 240, Fleet 588 Heavy. Air India 537, you are 42 miles north. Maintain present heading and altitude. Expect ILS runway 7 approach via D035N transition. Clear to D035N. Air India 537, descend and maintain 7,000 feet. Air India 537, descend and maintain 2,300 feet. Ifly 613, climb and maintain flight level 360. Descend and maintain 2,300 feet. Expect ILS runway 7 approach via D035N transition. Airbus 320, climb and maintain flight level 380.
Climb and maintain flight level 380, Airbus 320.
Air India 537, climb and maintain 14,000 feet. Keep speed not above 250 knots. Climb and maintain flight level 360, Ifly 613. Ifly 6019, climb and maintain 13,000 feet. Keep speed not above 250 knots. Descend and maintain 14,000 feet. Keep speed not above 250 knots, Air India 537. Ifly 588 Heavy, climb and maintain flight level 320. Air India 537, you are 27 miles north. Descend and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 7 approach via D035N transition. Clear to D035N. Air India 537, descend and maintain 2,300 feet. Descend and maintain 2,300 feet. Expect ILS runway 7 approach via D035N transition. Clear to D035N, Air India 537.